Hello, I'm Carrie Sheckelhoff, and I am your advisor. And I would like to just show you this great little tool. You might be experienced with using your program book and banner to create a schedule, but let me show you how to use Corsical to kind of graphically see some of the choices that you have for your schedule. So to use Corsical, it's free software. Or free website. You're just gonna go to, Corsical Otterbein. There it is, Corsical Otterbein. And it's Corsical, www.corsical.com Otterbein. Here's what it looks like. There we go. There's your URL. And when you get here, you are just going to hit schedule. And then I would suggest giving your schedule a name. So rename your schedule. Let's say this is Carrie first choice schedule. So this would be my favorite schedule, and I might make another schedule, like a backup schedule. So if I wanted to do that, I would just come in here and make a new schedule. So put new schedule. This is my backup schedule. Right. So I have the ability to make multiple schedules. Show it to your friends and let them know how smart you are. Okay. So I'm really going to work on my first choice schedule here. And so what I'm going to do is Corsical imports the schedule of Otterbein classes. And so we go to Browse, and let's say I know that I need to take math. So I look at here, math, I look in my program book, it tells me I need math 1210. And so, there are two sections of Math 1210. Well, the nice thing about Corsical is you could go in here and you could look at what times those classes are offered, and you could take notes on when you have an opening. But here's a quick and easy way to do that. I'm just going to select all of the sections of Math 1210, and I'm just going to put them into my first choice schedule. So I'm going to select it right there. And then I'm going to go back out here. I need an INST, and I need an INST at the 2000 level. And this is where it's really helpful for us because there's multiple sections. So I'm just going to add these to my first choice schedule. I know I need to take a 20 something INST. So let me pick all of these, and I'm going to then refine my choice based on how they land in my schedule. I need more INSTs of the 20 variety. So let me add these as well. So don't worry, at first your schedule is going to look real messy, but you'll see how quickly we can clean it up. All right, I've got all my 20 level INSTs. I also want to take a COM 100. 1000. And I'm doing that because it's going to be one of my skills classes. And while I'm at it, I always wanted to take Spanish 1000, so I'll add those choices to my background. And let's see, education, I need an education class. So education, well, I took 1600 in the fall, so let me get education 2200. And there's only one section of most of your education classes, so I'll just put that in there. And that looks like all I need right now. So now I would go back up here to schedule. Up on the top left, look at my schedule. Oh my goodness, look at all those classes. But what I like about this technique is you can see when things are offered, and you can start to create a schedule based on what works for you. So I like the idea of having my classes distributed across all 5 days. I don't want to have just one really hard day and freeing up other days, but you might decide to do it differently. I am a morning person, so I'm going to try to take my classes in the morning. So I could take this INST or this one. I kind of like the 2-day-a-week offering, plus I like this early math. So I'm going to just delete by clicking that box. So I have an INST 2012. I have math. This could be my backup INST. So if I don't get into this one, I could try to get into this one, and that would still give me some good morning classes. I'm not going to do this particular math because I've already got math right here. I like this 3-day week there. Although, you know what? Let's just be honest. I'm not a morning person. I am actually a morning person, but pretend I'm not. So I'd rather start my classes at 10:30 with this INST followed by math. And look, I'd have a nice long lunch. And then I've got Spanish. And since I've got Spanish 1000 there, I don't need it here. So I'm going to get rid of that. And I've already got my INST 20, so I'm not going to take that. Oh, over here I have education. That's the only time that that education class is offered. And so I can't take the comm class at the same time. So I'll get rid of that. I'll get rid of that. This is a repeat of that INST. Oh, look at this schedule. So all of a sudden I've come up with my 5 classes. Here's my INST 2015, my math 1210, Spanish, comm, and ed psych right there. And I've done it. I know which classes I need, but I could just process and elimination kind of use this graphic coursical way of looking at the class offerings to determine when I want to take them. Look at this. Somebody write the schedule down. You don't get up until 10:20. You have 2 classes, nice lunch, then you have Spanish done for the day by 2:45. On Tuesdays, I'm not up until 1 o'clock, and then I have 2 classes, and then I'm done. Beautiful schedule. Brought to you by Corsical. Hope this might be helpful. Thank you.